Hi Ed, this is Evan Roberts for CIS210 Data Structures of Fall 2019. This week we were asked to produce a hashing program. So here it is. I know this is a pretty ugly piece of code, but it essentially just takes whatever word it is and converts the word into an integer, essentially. You know, if it's A, it equals 1, B is 2, so on and so forth. So we also had to do it with a modulus of our prime number dictionary, which I have stored over here, 1 through 50, all the way up to 229. So what we actually do is for each number in that prime list, we take each number or each letter in our whatever's being read. Oh yeah, the read import. So right there, all the words you gave us, all roughly million of them. My God, man. So it converts them to an integer, adds the prime number, and finds the modulus of 8, and then it prints it. And then it resets the total so you can redo it. And so this is actually the part of the driver code. This is the actual part that's doing it. And I put a little press enter for next entry, so it doesn't just keep spewing out numbers and numbers and numbers, and we can actually see what each entry is. So if we go ahead and run, it'll give a problem because it doesn't like to work, I suppose. Oh, I was fooling around with this, and that's on me. So now, if we save and run, there we go. It actually prints out the correct ones. See, it's 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, all the different modulus of 8 for whatever the first one was. I believe it was just letter T, plus the first prime is 2. So whatever that comes out to be, then modulus 8 comes out to be 1. And you can see it does it for all 50 integers, or all 50 primes, sorry. And then you can go ahead and press enter, and you get the next one. You can do that for so on and so forth for all whatever amount of words that you want to do it for. So that's the program.